Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add files to a project in Claude AI. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we are going to do is go to Claude AI, and then after that we go right here to projects. Then right here we can create, for example, a new project. So we click on that and then we give this a name. So let's call this YouTube. Then we give this a description, so create good script, something like that. And then we do create project. Then right now you will find right here the project. And then the first thing that we are going to do is go right here to files, upload from device, and then upload a file that you want to use. So let's use this docs file. And then we can give here Claude AI permission to do something for us. So yeah, we give a prompt to do something for us. And then with this file, so let's say if you write down, create a strong and good script, please use this docs file for information and tell us where the information comes from, something like that. Then we click here on send, and then he is doing the work right here for us. Sometimes you will get an error or stuff like that, but that is because some document files are too big. So then you need to decrease the size and then it works. But right now Claude AI is doing the work right here for us and is using the docs that we sent. So this is in a nutshell how to add files right here to a project in Claude AI. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.